Let's learn how to correctly pronounce some difficult English words related to the temperature and the weather. Talking about the weather is such a common topic. We talk about the weather in social situations and even with strangers. For example, in the supermarket, there are some difficult English words related to talking about weather, and maybe you make these mistakes too. And after we learn these words, we will practice saying them in natural sounding sentences. The first word is thermometer. That's a difficult word to say. Be careful, we have the word meter. We stress the first syllable, meter. But we don't say thermometer. It's very different. It's thermometer, thermometer. We have some other similar sounding words that have the word meter in them. We have speedometer. That tells you how fast your car is going. Odometer. That tells you how many miles or how many kilometers you've traveled. And you notice I didn't say kilometer, I said kilometer, kilometer. Be careful, in all of those words, the O is pronounced as an A. Thermometer, kilometer, speedometer, odometer. But of course, remember, we say meter. The next word is temperature, temperature. We don't say temperature. It's not 4 syllables, it's only 3 syllables, and we stress the first one. Also, the T-U-R is pronounced as chur, chur. It's not tour. Other similar sounding words are nature, picture, future, creature, moisture. Remember, it's chur, temperature. Some people pronounce the R, some people say temperature, temperature. And some people don't pronounce the R and they simply say temperature. It's more proper to say temperature, but not everybody does it. Many people just say temperature. Which instrument do you use to measure the temperature? You use a thermometer. The next 2 words are related to how we describe the temperature, depending on where you live. In the United States, we use a different measuring system from most of the rest of the world. Probably in your country, you say Celsius. That's a difficult word to pronounce. We're going to say Celsius, and we will stress the first syllable, Celsius. If you tell an American it was 35 degrees, they will think it was cold because 35 degrees in Fahrenheit is completely different. And Fahrenheit is what we use in the United States. Let's pronounce that. Fahrenheit, 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 Fahrenheit. So 35 degrees Celsius is actually 95 degrees Fahrenheit. And when it's 95 degrees Fahrenheit or 35 degrees Celsius, how do we keep the house cool? We use an air conditioner, air conditioner. We stress the first syllable. An air conditioner is 1 unit, but if we're talking about a building that has a whole system, or maybe a house that has a system installed, that's called air conditioning. Air conditioning. I hope they have air conditioning in that hotel. And if you want to say it as an adjective, you can say air conditioned. I hope the hotel has air conditioned rooms. I hope the rooms are air conditioned. Let's stress the first word, air conditioned. And often people just say the AC, the AC. Please turn on the AC. You don't have to say please turn on the air conditioner. You can say please turn on the AC. And maybe you know that Americans love air conditioning. And when Americans travel, they frequently complain that it's not cold enough inside. And if you travel to the United States, you might feel cold all the time because the air conditioner is turned on a lot. And now let's practice talking about the temperature in the following sentences. Listen and repeat. What's the temperature today? What's the temperature today? It's 90 degrees Fahrenheit today. And notice in American English, we don't say 90, we say 90. That TY is actually pronounced as DY, 90. Let's say that again. It's 90 degrees Fahrenheit today. Number 3. What's the weather forecast for tomorrow? Weather forecast is a compound noun, so we stress weather. What's the weather forecast for tomorrow? It'll be 35 degrees Celsius, which is 95 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's say it'll be. And let's say 95. We don't say 95, we say 95. 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 5. Would you mind turning off the AC? It's freezing in here. We don't say the AC, we say the AC. And we stress C more than A. The AC. And it's freezing in here is another way to say it's very, very cold in here. It's freezing. Let's say that again. Would you mind turning off the AC? It's freezing in here. Number 6. I work in an air-conditioned building. And in this sentence, there are many things to link. In an air-conditioned, all of these can be connected. In an air-conditioned, let's say that again. In an air-conditioned building. I work in an air-conditioned building. And number 7. We placed the outdoor thermometer in the backyard to measure the temperature. We're going to say backyard, and we stress yard, in the backyard. And outdoor thermometer is another compound noun, so let's stress outdoor. Outdoor thermometer. And we connect the and outdoor. We say the outdoor. We don't say the because outdoor begins with a vowel sound. The outdoor. And let's say the whole sentence again. We placed the outdoor thermometer in the backyard to measure the temperature. If this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell so that you can get notified when a new video is released. I'm making a lot more videos coming up and I want to make sure you find out about them. Thanks for watching and make sure you're practicing your English every day. To learn all of the rules for a good American accent, you can buy my online video courses at AccurateEnglish.com.